we are going to make a banana apple shake. Let's see the ingredients. We need some cashew nuts, apple, and a large banana. We need bonmitha or any type of chocolate powder. We need sugar and milk. First, put cashew nut in a jar. Then apple, I cut it to a small pieces. Then banana, I cut it to a small pieces also. Then we need 1 tablespoon of sugar. Then we need 1 scoop of bonmitha or any type of chocolate powder. 1 cup of cold milk. Then close the jar and mix it together. Our apple banana shake is ready. Let's pour it in a glass. Wow, it's a nice smell. I feel so hungry to it. It smells good. Let's have it. It tastes yummy. If you like my video, please do like and subscribe.